So for our purposes, what we have said is that if you look at the complaint, there are so many inconsistencies which make this degree not authentic. This is the reason why. Whereas the complainant has submitted documents which Wavinya and Ndeti in the past submitted to IEBC. The most crucial document being the master's degree. You can see the complaint, you have a master's degree. The master's degree is dated 6th of November 1992. While the bachelor's degree, which he has submitted, so they have omitted to submit the master's degree, which is dated 6th November 1992. But they have submitted a master's degree, which is dated 1995. Yeah, it's not the complaint. It is, we have annexed it. There's our complaint has a report which I received from an institution in London. It is self-explanatory. I'm going to wind up on that. But I'm pointing out the major inconsistency, which will warrant the question of the process. That's why initially we said we want to ask her all these questions. Why submit a degree? You got a master's degree in 1992, and then a bachelor's degree in 1995. How is that even possible? Does it make any practical and legal sense? That's what the consulting firm in the UK, in the evidence we have submitted before the tribunal, is questioning. If you go deeper, you will find that whereas Wavinya Ndeti claims to have a master's degree, she doesn't have the requisite understanding of basic issues regarding computer programming. And that's what we wanted to establish in cross-examination. Because these documents, you can't say you have a master's degree which is obtained before a bachelor's degree. That is so, doesn't make any sense. Doesn't make any sense at all. Then look at the diploma which she obtained in 1988. We have annexed a diploma which she allegedly obtained in 1988. The entry qualifications from the UK, in accordance with the report that you've submitted, is that you cannot have a master's degree, 1992, with a diploma entry requirement. So these questions regarding the authenticity of her degree are very substantive questions which this commission cannot ignore, which the Supreme Court, in that case which I've cited, has expressly said this commission has a mandate to examine and check. If these inconsistencies are there, then you have an obligation under law to ensure, and these obligations are under the Constitution, we must maintain the integrity of the process. Persons who appear to lie under oath, unnecessary like Wavinya Ndeti, shall not be allowed to stand, because it will offend the express constitutional provisions which are there in Article 10, which bind this tribunal when you're making decisions, transparency, the integrity of the process. And this is the time to clean up the electoral process from these kind of messes.